Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable remove animations to prevent some screen effects on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and then tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on visibility enhancements. Then you go down in here, tap on the remove animations toggle button to switch it on. If this is turned on, then we are now turning off animations. If we switch it off, we are now leaving animation on at the default. And so that prevents some screen effects, useful if you are sensitive to animation or screen movement. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.